Every door holds a new promise. Promise of a better future. Future of learning. A community of active learning. Together, building the future education of rural India. I was at the peak of my professional life, doing a large-scale impactful work, living in 5-star hotels. It was all going well. But then there were some triggers which made me question a lot of things around. I decided to take a break from this race and I just followed my heart and started exploring the possibilities of getting involved in my two passions, teaching and music. And here I am today. Kalkeri Sangeet Vidyalaya is located in a very remote village near Dharwad district, Karnataka. The school provides free academics, music, food and residential facility to about 200 kids who come from the underprivileged background. And around 90% of them are the first generation learners. I came as an English teaching volunteer. We did a lot of interesting activities so that the learning can be made more fun. Being a musician, I was also involved with the music department. After completing my 1 year volunteering, I was very much at peace with the things around. And I decided to move back to the corporate sector. But then few months later, something tragic happened. And I started realizing that the root cause of all such issues that the society is facing is a failed education system. And there was a humble realization that a long-term commitment is required to bring an impact. So I decided to come back last year and have been actively involved in strengthening the academic department of the school. There were regular trainings for the teachers in Vedic maths, memory techniques, and educational psychology. Also, we conducted a baseline assessment to get a quantitative idea of the learning level of each child. Fortunately, the school was very supportive and gave me complete freedom in designing and implementing all the necessary interventions to address all such issues. I have a 3-stage plan for the school. Stage 1, Stage 2, trickle-down effect. Stage 3, establishment of model school. I had been relying on my savings, and once in a while, my friends used to give a financial support so that this journey continues. And at the grassroots level, time is the game changer. So I need your support in buying me time. It would cost 650 rupees per month to give a high quality education to a child. My father is a retired government school teacher, and I feel he is the main reason why my interest in education developed over the years. I started teaching the kids in the slums and orphanages of Delhi while doing my engineering from NSIT. Avanti Fellows gave me courage by exposing me to the rural education space of Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. And Boston Consulting Group made me humble by giving me an opportunity to work with the Education Secretary of a state government. My vision is to develop and promote the culture of arts-based curriculum. Mahatma Gandhi was a strong proponent of Varda scheme of education, which emphasized upon the importance of self-supportive learning. National Curriculum Framework 2005 clearly states that drama is the most powerful tool to teach. And I'm really hopeful that it will happen at a much larger scale in the longer run. Do you know why? Because hope is a good thing. Maybe the best of things. And no good thing ever dies. No good thing ever dies, my friend.